Yep. Yeah, we'll see you. Don't want to take any more of your time.
Nice talking.
Nice talking, you too. Yep, you too. Thank you. All right, this is, let's get this down there. This is Dad Random, and finished my flight after a little bit of excitement. I was approached. I was told that I was flying in a place that was not legal to fly, but I am.
These people right, hold on. These people right along here have had drones spying on them. I have talked, hold on. I don't know, you have a fucking hole in the wall. You can tell me you have all these licenses. Afraid? I hate those things. You have no idea how much those of us that like wilderness hate those things. I was out in the Santa Clara Reserve backpacking last weekend. I had a motherfucking thing come right over my head, back and forth about 4 or 5 times. There's no excuse for that. None. None. Yeah, my whole day was wrecked because I had some motherfucker spying on me. So I'm sure when he went back and looked at the drone footage that he saw me giving him the bird the whole frickin' time. There are places that those things are okay.
I'm sorry that you're angry, but I'm out.
You're just out to do your thing, but I'm trying to tell you that your thing is illegal to do here. It is because
I checked my maps to make sure everything was current. I brought my ID out. I made sure that I had all my credentials ready to go in case the police did show up. They did not show up, but I will fly here again because it is legal. I'm in actually the city access, and I only fly in the city park section of the mountain that you're seeing back here, which is right on the face. That's right behind me. So, and I double checked my air map. I double checked before you fly. And everything was legal. So until somebody basically is able to challenge the actual coordinates of my flight, it was legal. It was a legal flight.
yeah, my whole day was wrecked because I had some motherfucker spying on me.
I'm out.
You're just out to do your thing, but I'm trying to tell you that your thing is illegal to do here.
All right, so nice short flight today. Dad Random. Thanks for watching. Got to chat with my friend Mark today. It was very nice. He popped in and was riding his bike and chatted with me a little bit, learned a little bit about drones, and that was kind of cool too. So, all right, so Dad Random. It is getting hot. Gosh, I missed the best part of the flying day. I just missed it. But it is still calm. So hopefully the Hubsan Zeno footage all made it. I had a little bit of video chop. There was on the transmission. Hopefully the video quality is good. Other than that, it's not made for that kind of flying. That is just not something that it does well. Straight and level is good, that kind of thing. But I'm out of here. Dad Random. Park usually gets a little bit busier once we get to noon. So I am out of here. Later and bye. Dad Random.